Hello kids, welcome to my channel Mummy Teacher Kids On. Today we are going to start computer questions, lesson number 2. Let's get started. Which technology allows to communicate wirelessly? Bluetooth. Name any language of computer. Basic. Which program runs internet? Browser. Give any example of browser. Internet Explorer. Now like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.